Meet the precious metal wire annealing machine. Your ultimate solution for gold, silver, copper, etc. wires. Want to see it in action? Watch now. Simply load your wires. Original wire wheel placed in processed wire. Put into annealing chamber. Water tank for cooling the metal wire. Water added to this position. Through take-up wheels. Controlled by touch screen with PLC program. Set the temperature to 500 before threading. The whole process is automatic, easy to operate. The shielding gas is argon. After threading, plug this port to prevent the protective gas from leaking. Equipped with a high-precision temperate control system. Improve the ductility of metal wires. Eliminate internal stress. Improved surface finish. The machine can anneal the wires width from 0.03 to 2 mm at once. Welcome to contact us.